an automatic exchange of information. FACTA with America. And then after that, dynamic transactions, provision of the dynamic transactions bill in Parliament. Then after that, the latest is voluntary disclosure, where opportunity was given to all people to come forward, declare their money, pay the tax, and then take benefit of the same. And then, after giving necessary warning, caution, after consulting the people, this decision was taken as a measure to take care of the black marketers as well as black money people who are hoarding, and also the terrorists who are thriving on that, the counterfeit operators, and also the drug trafficking people, arms dealers, or all the people who are all going to be badly affected by this decision. This is the decision which is the logical conclusion. That's why everybody has appreciated. The finance minister explained various steps that are taken, and the entire parliamentary party meeting of the BJP, they all said with one voice, sir, our feedback is same. People are very happy. They are more happy about the bold decision taken by the Prime Minister. Second, India partners, as I told you, without any this thing or any reservation, they all formally said, this is a great step, sir, go ahead. This is what the India partners also have said. So that being the case, we will be moving forward. There is no question of any rethinking, whatever others may say, and it will be known in Parliament who is on the side of the people who are having black money, who are on the side of the people. As I told you earlier, if you have valid money, it will not be invalid. Yesterday night, after a review meeting, today the Revenue Secretary has made a detailed press declaration about the steps that are taken to sort out the problems for the people. There are going to be separate queues for the elderly people and differently abled people, then separate queues for deposits, separate queues for withdrawal. That's a welcoming decision. People are happy about it. And secondly, post offices are going to be operational, where you can also exchange money. And thirdly, the banking, Mitras, they are also going to be activated across the country. 1,20,000 banking Mitras are there. And then thirdly, the government, wherever you have to pay taxes and all, that facility has been extended up to 24th or 25th. So every care is being taken to take care of the problems of the people. And also the Reserve Bank has assured that there is enough money, nothing to worry, nobody should be in panic. There are people who are spreading rumors, like the rumor about the salt. Let me make it very clear, it was discussed in the meeting also. The Consumer Affairs Minister also was there. The production of the salt is 220 lakh tons. 220 lakh tons. And whereas the consumption is only 60,000 tons. And remaining either going for industry or for export. That being the case, it's all a false propaganda carried out by vested interests to derail the reformist process that is taken by the government. So we want to urge upon the people to understand the game plan of these people and then stand firmly with the government.
वेंकैया जी, जिस तरह से विपक्ष पूरी तरह एकजुट हो रहा है इस मुद्दे पर, विपक्ष का कहना है कि बीजेपी ने अपने पैसे तो सेट कर लिए, लेकिन जिस तरह से बाकी
बेकार आरोप करना तो उनका कुछ लोगों का स्वभाव हो गया, ये बेकार है, उसका कोई साकार नहीं, उसका आकार नहीं, उसका प्राकार भी नहीं है, वो केवल उस प्रकार बोलते रहते हैं कुछ लोग, उनको बोलने दीजिए. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम एंड वी विल आंसर देम एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. सेकेंडली, एकजुट नहीं हुआ, आपका जो असेसमेंट है ना, अंदाजा ये गलत है. जो वो तो ठीक है, उनको जो साथ है साथ देने दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जनता देखेंगे कौन हु इज स्टैंडिंग बाय द पीपल हु आर ट्राइंग टू प्रिजन द सिस्टम, who is standing with the hoarders or with the corrupt people. That will be known to the people as and when an opportunity comes. Let everybody take stand. Political parties are free to take their own stand. But I am sure, I am happy, many of the opposition parties also, they are welcoming the decision of the government. They are all praising the Prime Minister's historic move, and they are one with the nation. Prime Minister said, he thanked all the parties and said this credit will not go to him personally. He said credit will goes to all the parties that are standing firm with government, the NDA partners, steadfast standing with the government all these days. Whatever decisions I am taking are all because of the unity, because of the solidarity which you are all giving to me. That is my strength, and I will continue to do it. People were people were sometimes were feeling by indifferent, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, कुछ कर पाएंगे क्या?
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.